Welcome back. The details. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi held a meeting on Sunday to follow up the procedures taken for the resumption of the second academic year term for universities. The meeting was attended by Prime Minister Dr. Mustafa Madbouli, Minister of Higher Education Dr. Khaled Abdel Ghaffar. As presidential spokesperson, Ambassador Bassam Radi said the head of state stressed the importance of abiding by precautionary and preventive measures during the new term. Radi added that the meeting also tackled a number of national projects affiliated to the Minister of Higher Education. For his part, Abdel Ghaffar reviewed the ongoing and planned projects for state universities, reaching 425 projects at a total cost of £35 billion. He said the projects covering educational services, production and medical areas are planned for 27 universities across the country. Radi added that the president was briefed on the latest digitalization programs applied at state universities and measures of transforming them into smart universities. The meeting also discussed a study over establishing the Egyptian Genome Center, which aims at discovering hereditary characteristics of different diseases. First Lady Mrs. Intisar al-Sisi said on Sunday that taking care of children is one of the state's priorities to create a new innovative generation that will be able to achieve future aspirations. The statement was made at a ceremony marking the launch of a new state award for young innovators held on Sunday at the Opera Hall. The ceremony was organized by the Supreme Council of Culture under the auspices of the First Lady. In the same context, at a press conference held at the Opera Small Theatre, Minister of Culture Dr. Ines Abdeldaim announced the details of the newly introduced Young Innovators Award. She said the prize will be granted annually for under 18-year-old youth who innovate distinguished products. The event was attended by Secretary General of the Supreme Council for Culture, Hisham Hazmi, as well as a number of senior officials from the ministry. Earlier, the Parliament agreed on launching the prize within the framework of the state's efforts to create a motivating environment to promote talented young people and their products in the fields of arts and culture. Minister of Health Dr. Hala Zaid said Egypt launched the second stage of the inoculation campaign Sunday, starting with the rollout of the coronavirus vaccine targeting priority groups. The minister's announcements came during a video conference held to discuss the plan to provide vaccines to the most needy groups. Registration is available online on the website linked to the program of social protection named Takaful and Panorama, or Solidarity and Dignity. We are still with our local news. Decent Life Foundation for Development, in cooperation with the CSR Egypt, launched on Sunday new expanded convoys to a fourth governorate within the framework of Himaya initiative for those affected by COVID-19. The convoys provide medical services and humanitarian aid to the New Valley residents under the auspices of Minister of Social Solidarity Dr.